The next dish I'm making is a codfish hash. It's got all of the things that make hash great: potatoes, corn, peas, onions, capers, and lots of meaty cod. And it's very easy to make. There's a similar dish from Portugal called bacalhau à Gomes de Sá. Just replace the butter with olives and olive oil, and you're basically there. But today, we need butter. First, put the eggs in cold water and bring the water to a boil. After it reaches a boil, turn off the heat and let the eggs cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, replace the hot water with cold water to stop the eggs from cooking. While the egg is cooking, boil the cod in salted water until it's done, about 12 to 15 minutes. Then you swap out the hot water for cold so that the fish doesn't overcook. While the cod is cooking, you prepare the rest of the ingredients. First, you saute the onions and the garlic, then add the vegetables and potatoes to cook until tender and a bit crispy. The crispy bits are the best part of the hash, don't you think? We're off to a good start here. Now it's time to complete the dish. After everything is cooked, mix the cod into the vegetables, but be careful not to break up the cod too much. You still want nice chunks that you can bite into. Then garnish with chopped parsley, capers, and the eggs that are sliced in half. Doesn't that look great?